Well, we're now out in front of this laundromat slash production facility slash commercial laundry slash
a lot of slashes.
Everything.
A lot of slashes.
You mind showing us around?
Sure, come on in.
Let's take a look.
Thank you.
The first thing that jumps out to me is we got some big dryers here, and those look like tablecloths.
They are tablecloths. We service an event rental. They send us napkins, they send us tablecloths, and everything that we do here is Monday through Friday during the day, so 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. And this is when these people need them. They need them in the afternoon, they need them quickly so they can go out and use them.
And they look like they're in great shape, but I got to ask about any of the finishing needs or ironing,
right.
Or like
so,
what does the client look for and how do you deliver on that?
So we wash, we dry, obviously, and then we press.
Okay.
So things are pressed and they're hung on a hanger with plastic over it, and everything gets sent back with our drivers back to their facility so they can use them.
So you got some 60-pound washers that I'm sure are getting a lot of use. Some single pocket dryers here that are 75-pound. And then we've got a row of, these look like 50-pound or 45-pound stacks.
Yep.
So the up and down here, and some more like 30-pound stacks here. And then you've got one 80-pounder here in the back, and I imagine that one of the machines that you're buying for.
Everybody wants it. Everybody wants it. Yeah, our staff,
customers.
Yeah, easy transition to the dryer and in and out. Everything's in and out.
Yeah, it looks like a very convenient setup here. And then now if we can kind of sneak in here, but you've got your team, I met them earlier.
Yes.
And they're working on some linens. So I see them stacked up here. So tell us about this account and these wonderful people you've got doing the laundry for you.
Yeah, this is Lillian, Amelia. And they're my staff, like I told you, my backbone. They're great. We do a small hotel in Fort Lauderdale and all their linens, and we go back and forth to Fort Lauderdale twice a week.
Okay.
And that's when they need it. So
you said it's a 90-room property?
Yeah, 90-room property.
So small enough where you can fit their needs here. And like I said, they're probably not maybe a perfect customer for one of the big guys out there. So they've got a good
and you know, people call us because they know that they can get stuff in and out, and just being reliable. That's what most people need these days, is reliability.
Let's take a look over here on the other side. Store like this, you got to find every square inch for storage. So it looks like we've got some storage here for residential bundles up here at the front. This side looks like we've got some of the smaller machines. So we got some 30-pound capacity machines. We kind of call 10 pounds a load. So this 30 pounds is a 3-load machine. And some smaller double load machines here, working our way around to the back. Folding table space. I bet this is getting a real workout.
People are like fighting for them just because we don't have enough space, but it's good. I mean,
yeah, again, it's one of those good problems.
Good problems to have.
And I noticed that you've got a card system in place, and I think you were telling us earlier that this store has been all card since day one, which would have been years ago.
Yes.
And so you've continued to operate the store on that basis. And
yeah, it's been easy for us, you know. I mean, with the exception of technology, you know, like it's always an easy way for people to just put the money on the card and put it through. We don't do the quarters, but at the same time, you have this laundry card that you keep with you so that people in the community can keep coming back and using this, you know, the card.
So this is how your vended customers are paying. A customer walks in the door, this is probably the first place they come to. They need to add some value on the card. So how do they find their way around this?
So we have two ways that you can do it. It's cash or credit card. So if people have cash, all they have to do is put their card in, put the bills in here, and then it'll add to the balance. And then once you're done, you just take the card out.
And I see up here you've got a bonus program. What's that all about?
We do. So if you put $20 cash in, you'll get $22 for your 20, but it's only with cash.
Only with cash.
Not credit cards.
Not with the credit card.
Correct.
Okay. We got lots of ways to pay here. Okay, well I see that this is a card-operated store, so for the folks at home that don't know how this works, why don't you show us how it's done?
So yeah, we use cards. So all you have to do is put your clothes in, put your soap in, and then when you're ready to go, you just put the card in, you choose hot, warm, or cold, and you hit start.
It's that easy. Circling back, I'd be interested to see how you've got things set up to bill all these commercial and business accounts.
Yes.
Because I imagine that's no small task.
That is no small
task. To get these people invoiced and paying on time. And so how do you tackle that?
You know, it's funny, when I first started 2 years ago, I was searching for a POS system of my own.
Yeah.
And I found one, and it was great. And then I just found a new curbside laundry. I'll be using them now, or transitioning now, using their POS system, and it's been great. It's been pretty seamless. The platform is great. The
So you're
platform is
billing all the residential customers, all the commercial customers
Everybody.
through that platform.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Well, it's one thing to do the laundry; it's another thing to get paid for it. I got some 40-pound washers and
Yep.
some more stacked dryers, helping with capacity. And then here is home base for the drop-off
Yeah.
station. So who do we have here, and what do we have in this section here?
This is Isabel, one of our best employees. I love her. She's been here how many years now?
7.
7 years. She's been here a
Excellent.
long time.
Excellent.
Always count on her to keep the place clean. Before you guys got here, she was cleaning all the machines.
I see that, yeah.
Constantly, and that's what keeps people coming back, you know? Having a clean laundry is key. We obviously have competition, but it's always nice to be able to see the same face, everyone saying hello. You know, we know all the people that come in and out of here, and it's nice, and she's great.
Well, it looks that way, so thank you for that. And behind Isabel, we've got kind of little retail, detergent, soap, etc. So tell us about just that as a convenience for the walk-in customers.
Oh, people buy it all day long. I mean, they love that they can come in here and buy their, you know, the laundry soap, if they want dryer sheets, if they want fabric softener, bleach, we have it, and they buy it.
Yeah,
I mean,
they can buy it over the counter here.
Yeah, we can't
Super
even keep it in
convenient.
stock.
Yeah, you'll see that.
We can't even keep it in stock. They love it, and the Suavitel is like one of the best things that we
course.
sell. Yeah.
No doubt, because we're talking about a multifaceted business here. So how do you handle the wash chemistry and detergent for the commercial business and the residential business?
We have a supplier that we every week, you know, we get all of our supplies. Everything from the plastic that you saw on the tablecloths to the bags to the hangers,
yep.
even the small vending, because that's like a huge part of our business. I mean, they don't go to Publix and buy the big thing. They
Right.
come in
They
and buy
come
the
here,
small,
do that.
you know, small detergent, and it's great.